Okay, in this video, we're going to complete passing team 2. We already saw in the previous one, passing team 1. We saw that Nuala and Kendall are in passing team 2. And in this one, I'm going to take the girls in the sprint and shooting, put them in random, hit randomize 3 times. The top 3 girls are going to join Nuala and Kendall for the second passing team for the skills competition. So here we go. Copy, paste, get Sydney and Jessica, paste them. Okay, we're going to hit randomize 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And so it looks like top 3, Sydney, Haley, and Jessica will be joining Nuala and Kendall for the second passing team.